Now let me explain you about the wall treatments. When we say wall treatment, nowadays we do have plenty of options like wallpapers, MDF paneling, wall beadings. Many options are there. So we do have few options here. I'll just take you through like one by one. So this is one kind of wall treatment which is a customized MDF patterns actually. MDF designed with some customized pattern. We can change the patterns according to the theme, according to the mood you want to create. Based on that, we can change these patterns actually. And when it comes to this finishing, we can do it in two ways. One is like royal emulsion paint, which is really cheap and best. That's what we have used in this particular panel here. Now, if you're looking for more smoother surfaces, then you have to use PU paint. The difference between two is like royal emulsion price wise it is very cheap, and durability wise it is slightly less than PU. This is the other type wall treatment, which is a customized wallpaper. These images can be downloaded from like Shutterstock, or if you like some images, if you could get us the high quality images, then we can print it on this different paper. This paper also has like different qualities. If you could see this one, no, we do have some threads inside, which you may not be able to make out in this video. Through this, because of this thread, it is like non-tearable paper, and you can wash, you can clean this with like wet cloth. That is the main advantage of this paper. And what is the difference between this and the normal wallpaper? Normal wallpaper, you may not be able to get this kind of pattern first, and other thing is like during the installation also. Now this actually three panels, three different papers. So one paper will be like overlapping the other one. So slightly you can see that overlapping effect here. Unless we tell this is like three different panels, you may not be able to make out that. So this is the other type of wall treatment, Georgian beading, which is quite common nowadays. Most of you are like aware of this one. Compared to the previous two wall treatments like that MDF panel or the customized wallpaper, this is the cheap and best. Here we have used the real teakwood beading. This can be done in like POP also. POP also will get this sort of beading, but we always recommend that solid wood. Like for longer durability or something, solid wood is better actually. Nothing is there. This installation is very simple. It can be directly applied on the wall and paint it like whatever that wall finish, the same royal emulsion paint. This is the other type, which is a texture paint. When I say texture paint, most of you might have thinking, is it really texture paint or some cement board or something? Yes, there are cement board like this, which is imported panels, but which is like really expensive. So this is like the cheaper version of the same. When I say cheaper, it is not actually cheaper. Just compared to the real cement board, it is cheaper, but if you compare with the normal texture paint, this is really expensive. Those people who likes like more rustic feel or natural feel, this is the best option we can. And if you ask me, my personal choice is always like this sort of feel. And this can be mixed with the red brick cladding. Anything can be done with this. And same thing, it's not necessary that we have to use it on the wall. If you like this sort of feel, if you want to keep this one on your ceiling also. See here, as you could see here, we have done the ceiling panels also same. So here we do have a fluted panels actually. This looks like real wood, but it is not actually real wood. The core material is like MDF, and the top coat is like this one, the PVC membrane. So this can be used like behind your TV or like behind your like headboard. Anywhere can be used. And like you see in this area, here we have mixed actually this concrete panel along with this fluted panels to bring that more natural feel. So wood and concrete is always like, which gives us like more earthy tone, right? Earthy feel we'll get it. So that's the reason we have used this one.